This is Alex, and these are the 3 laws of motion. The first law of motion is an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless another force acts upon it. So, for example, if you're driving a car, your car will keep moving unless another force, like the brakes or friction, acts upon it, making the car stop. And if your car is at rest, then it will stay at rest until a force like the wheels turning makes it move again, makes it in motion. Second is the second law, which is the force of an object. The force is equal to the mass of an object times its acceleration. So, for example, if you throw a snowball, the force of you throwing depends on how the mass of the snowball and how fast it goes, or the acceleration. And then secondly, the second law, and finally the third law, which is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So, for example, if you're running or walking, you have the force of your feet hitting the ground. You have the force of your feet pushing on the ground, and you have the reaction force of the ground pushing back in the opposite direction, allowing you to move, basically allowing movements for you to run or walk. So, and this also allows motion for your car too, the wheels. This allows wheels to move. So those were the 3 laws of motion, well described in Minecraft.